Your Mercedes Benz is a masterpiece of engineering. But let us be honest, the factory infotainment system can feel a bit dated compared to modern smartphones. Today, we are looking at the absolute best interior upgrade for the Mercedes C-Class W205, the GLC X253, and the V-Class W446. This is the Android 14 Multimedia navigation system, powered by the elite Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 processor. This is not just a bigger screen, it is a massive leap in performance. With 8 GB of our AM and a lightning-fast octa-core chip, the interface is as smooth as your Mercedes drive. The first thing you will notice is the stunning high-resolution display. We are talking about 1920 by 720 pixels, providing crystal-clear visuals even in direct sunlight. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto, giving you a clutter-free cabin while keeping your favorite apps like Waze, Google Maps, and Spotify right at your fingertips. What makes this unit special is how it respects the original Mercedes engineering. It is a 100% plug-and-play installation. You do not lose your original MMI system, your steering wheel controls, or your factory cameras. You can switch between the original Mercedes menu and the new Android interface with a single touch. It also features a built-in DSP for enhanced sound quality and a 4G LTE slot for constant connectivity. Whether you are using the split-screen mode to navigate while controlling your music, or using the built-in GPS for a long road trip, this system handles it all with zero lag. It even supports high-quality reversing inputs and 360-degree cameras to keep your parking stress-free. If you want to give your Mercedes the high-tech cockpit it deserves, this is the upgrade you have been waiting for. It is durable, reliable, and comes with professional support to ensure a perfect setup. I have placed the direct AliExpress link with the best current discount in the first pinned comment below. If you enjoyed this deep dive, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more premium car tech upgrades. See you in the next one.